Moi, it's Turku Yoga Guide here. In this session, I will teach you a pose called Utkatasana. And that pose will give you more strength to your thighs, to your legs, and especially to your pelvic floor muscles and in your lower belly. But before that, let's talk about a few words about Saucha, which means to purify or to cleanse. What are you cleansing? Of course, you are cleansing your body while you are doing the physical activities. So how do you cleanse your body while doing the asana practice? When you feel that there is a burning sensation somewhere in your muscles, for example, in your thighs, or in your hamstrings, or in your pelvic floor, it's a sign that the muscles are working and using a lot of energy. And when the muscles are using energy, it's also creating heat in your body. And how do you notice the heat in your body? You notice that you are sweating. Maybe you are sweating in your fingertips, in your toes, in your whole body. And with the sweat, all the impurities are coming out of your body. So in that way, while doing your asana practice, the physical postures, you are cleansing and purifying your body. Let's explore Utkatasana. Utkatasana is an asana that belongs to the sun salutation sequence. So you start your sun salutation, which takes you to Utkatasana, where you stay for 5 breaths, and then you continue your sun salutation to the next asana, which will be the warrior pose, and that we will be exploring in the next session. But let's take a look at the Utkatasana. So start in Samastitihi. And remember to activate your lower belly, your pelvic floor muscles. Remember to connect with your Ujjayi breath, a breath that happens in your chest. And also remember your gazing point, your dristi, that allows you to focus inwards towards yourself. With the inhalation, raise your arms above your body. Exhale and fold forward and down. Inhale, lift your head up. Exhale, step back to all fours or keep your legs straight. Inhale to an upward facing dog. Exhale to a downward facing dog. And now instead of staying here, bend your knees and walk your feet between your hands, bring your big toes together, keep your knees bent. So try to squat down as low as you can. The big toes are touching, your heels are grounded on the floor. You bend your knees, you flex your hip, and then you bring your arms above your body and tilt your head back so you're looking towards your thumbs. If you have your arms too far behind your head, you are not able to see your palms, your fingers, so keep your elbows straight and bring your arms more forward so you are able to see your thumbs. And now try to press your inner thighs together, lift the pelvic floor up so you create a lot of space between the tailbone and your navel. And you stay here squatting down for 5 breaths. After the 5th exhalation, stay down, bring your hands on the floor. You can lift your heels off the floor if needed. Exhale and step back to all fours or keep your arms and your legs straight. Inhale to an upward facing dog. Exhale to a downward facing dog. And then you can repeat the same thing again or continue to the following pose. But let's look at the Utkatasana one more time. So when you are squatting down, you want to bring the big toes together. You want to press your knees together. You want to keep your inner thighs together and lift your pelvic floor up and then tilt your head so you're creating more space in your throat for your breath. Make sure the breath happens in your upper body, in your chest, in your lungs, and then you are trying to reach your fingers to the sky and you are trying to reach your sitting bones to the floor, and that will elongate and create more space on your sides and in your spine. So you should feel a burning sensation in your quadriceps because they are using a lot of energy. So the muscles, they are getting stronger, you are creating more heat in your body, and you might even start sweating. So this is a very, very good pose to get stronger legs, stronger quadriceps, and also to connect with your pelvic floor muscles. And remember, this is a part of sun salutation sequence, so you will connect this pose with the following pose with the sun salutation. So we can practice this pose and the two following poses all together once you have learned the following poses as well. So see you in the next session. Kiitos, moi moi!